Have you ever designed something amazing in Canva and wished you could reuse it again and again, or even share it with others as a ready-to-use template? Well, today I'll show you exactly how to turn your Canva designs into reusable templates that you or your team can use anytime. It's easier than you think. First, open your design in Canva. Once it's ready, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll see the share button. It's usually pretty easy to spot. This button is your main gateway to distributing your design. Whether you're sharing it with a client, a teammate, or just saving it for future use, click on Share, and a panel will pop up showing various sharing options. Now, here's an important tip. Look for the box See All option. It might not always be obvious, but this is where Canva hides all its advanced sharing features. Once you click See All changes, you'll get a full list of ways to share your design, from direct links to integrations with different tools and platforms. Now, if you're using Yinshin Canva Pro, this is where the real magic happens. Canva Pro includes a powerful feature called the template link. This option allows you to turn any design into a reusable template that others can customize without changing your original. Perfect for maintaining brand consistency or creating ready-to-edit layouts for clients and teams. Go ahead and click Template Link. Then select Create Template Link. This is the key step that transforms your current design into a template. Once you've done this, Canva will generate a special link that anyone can use to open your design as their own editable copy. Finally, click Copy Link. You can now paste it anywhere, into an email, a chat message, a project management tool, or even in your online store if you're selling templates. Whoever clicks that link will get their own version of your design ready to edit and personalize. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you've turned your Canva design into a reusable template. This simple feature can save you tons of time, streamline your workflow, and make collaboration much smoother. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more quick Canva tips, and let me know in the comments what kind of design templates you plan to create next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.